Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the tools. Press F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I and you'll see the Inspector, Console, and Network panels. First, right-click an element and choose Inspect so you focus on the exact node. This speeds debugging and prevents guesswork. Once done, enable persistent logs and disable the cache while DevTools is open to capture requests accurately during reloads. These quick actions set a reliable environment so deeper steps give meaningful results instead of misleading noise. Next, you combine inspection with active testing. Use the inspector to tweak HTML and CSS live. This explains why layout shifts happen and lets you try fixes immediately. Then switch to the console to run snippets, check errors, and evaluate expressions so you confirm behavior without changing source files. Meanwhile, monitor network, filter for XHR or CSS, and preserve the log to see requests across navigations. These coordinated steps let you reproduce, diagnose, and validate fixes quickly. Finally, debug and profile to complete the process. Open the debugger, set breakpoints, and step through functions so you understand the execution flow and state changes. Then record a performance profile to inspect CPU time, memory, and frame drops. This shows why slow behavior occurs. Once fixed, test a hard refresh and validate on a private window. If things go wrong, disable extensions, clear DevTools settings, and reset preferences to eliminate environment issues. That single troubleshooting step often restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.